We created Allegro's product catalog to make our sellers and buyers' lives easier. If you pay attention to a few details when adding new products to the catalog, you and your customers will benefit from it. How? 1. More customers will see your offers because they'll be added to the right categories. You'll also appear higher in search results and have a higher chance to sell because of it. 2. Customers will make a more informed decision to purchase your offer because they'll have all the accurate product information they need to decide if it's right for them. 3. Your commission will be lower if you add offers to the right categories instead of those labeled Other or an irrelevant category. We know that working with a product catalog can sometimes be challenging. That's why we want you to take a look at these most common productization issues we see on the platform. Do your best to avoid these mistakes and then watch your sales grow. Listing offers in the wrong category. This is a category for bags and covers for laptops. Let's look at it. We can quickly see laptop cases that could easily be added to the right subcategory. Why is this a problem for the sellers who listed their offers in the wrong category? They won't be able to reach many potential customers who will browse the covers and cases subcategory. Additionally, if these offers are sold, the seller will be charged a much higher commission because the Other category always has the highest rates. A similar thing happens here. These scrunchies are listed in the electronics category. Customers on Allegro are decisive and know what they're looking for. That's why you're guaranteed not to get any sales from offers listed in the wrong category. If someone looking for audio, video, and household appliances sees these scrunchies, they'll either ignore them or even report the offer, which can cause our teams to take it down and for your sales quality score to go down, which means less visibility and, in turn, fewer products sold. Linking an offer to the wrong product. When listing an offer, you may see a product in our catalog that looks similar to the one you want to sell. If it's not the exact product you're selling, though, don't link your offer to it and create a new product instead. Why? Because you can create this situation. These are all offers linked to one product, a shoe in a specific color and size. As you can see, the shoes listed here look similar, but their colors, sizes, and even models are different. This leads to a situation where a buyer who sees this product listing gets frustrated because they can't find the exact shoe they're looking for. Instead of going through pages of results, they're just going to find a different product and you lose out on a sale. Adding false parameters. Creating a new product can take a bit of time, but it's worth it to do it well. Why? Otherwise, you can end up with offers that look like these examples. This offer has a good thumbnail and could get a potential buyer to click on it. But look at the product parameters section. Every parameter just says Other. This means two things. 1. Because our search engine looks at parameters, no customers searching for this product will be able to find it. 2. If someone sees these parameters, they won't have the information they need to buy the product. So they'll end up going to your competitor's offer. Not paying attention to the thumbnail or the description. Adding the right thumbnail is vital to your offer's success on Allegro. The simple rules to follow are: use a white background and don't add any additional elements to the picture. Show the product in a way that makes it clear to see what's on sale. In this example, the seller didn't pay attention to those rules. This thumbnail can get the offer deleted, which means fewer sales quality points, a lower position in search results, and of course, lower sales. The description is a mix of Polish and English, which will confuse any potential buyers and discourage them from choosing this offer. What this seller can do to improve is remove the text from the pictures and add it in the offer description to make sure the pictures are clean and the buyers are getting all the information they need. If you're having trouble translating your offer descriptions, we have a few solutions for you. You can always look at our service provider network and find translation services that work for you. You can now also list your offers in English, and our automatic tool will translate the title and description into Polish for you. Buyers really pay attention to offer descriptions, so make sure you leave a good impression with yours. That's it! Now you know why it's worth it to use the Allegro product catalog and can avoid the most common mistakes we see. We wish you success on the platform.
Visit Allegro Academy, and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.